Hi again, Kelvin, co-founder of Helm here. Today I want to show you how to create an automated rolling cash flow forecast. What's an automated rolling cash flow forecast? In normal human speak, an automated rolling cash flow forecast is simply one you don't have to touch. As accounts receivables roll in, Helm automatically estimates when they're being paid in the future. As accounts payable roll in, Helm automatically does the same. Wait, a forecast I don't have to touch? Yep, that's right. Let's dive in. To create an automated rolling cash flow forecast, we need to leverage Helm's customer and vendor defaults. We can access customer defaults by opening up our accounts receivable drawer, clicking the Group By dropdown, and selecting Contact. You'll see boxes under each contact. These are our customer defaults. This particular box is labeled ADR. Helm uses this to estimate payment dates for any future invoices from this contact. We can use Helm's auto-calculated number, or we can change it to something else. For demonstration purposes, we're going to change this to 120. This means that any time a receivable is received from basket case, Helm will estimate its payment to be 120 days in the future. Let's go back to our detailed view. We can see below the basket case has one invoice outstanding. I've just created a new one in my accounting system, and I'll click refresh to show just how this automation works. So here's my new invoice with 120 days added. And you can see it here in our cash flow forecast. The beautiful part is that all of the same functionality exists in the accounts payable drawer. I've created a new bill in our accounting system for NetConnect as an example. I set their vendor default to 30 days. We can see right now that they have one outstanding invoice, but once I click refresh, we can see our new payable with 30 days added to the invoice date. So, you can use customer defaults to have Helm automatically estimate future receivables. You can use vendor defaults to have Helm automatically forecast future payables. Voila! There's your automated rolling cash flow forecast. Leveraging customer and vendor defaults in Helm is a really powerful tool. Who doesn't like to work less? As always, thanks for taking the time to watch. Looking for other cash planning and cash management tips and tricks? Please check out the other videos in our YouTube channel and subscribe for future updates.